Hello everyone, Shravan Manthri here. Welcome to our channel CSE GURUS. We are solving Hackerrank problems. In the algorithm section, we are going for subdomain warm-up. We are done with these questions and the next question is plus minus. We will see this question. If you are not able to get the question, I have given the link in the description. You can check it out. Given an array of integers, calculate the ratios of its elements that are positive, negative and 0. You must check it out how many elements are positive here, how many negative and how many are zeros. For example, if you take here 1, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 1. So 2 elements are positive and you have to find the ratio which is 2 out of total elements are 5. 2 by 5 which is 0.4 like this. And how many negative elements? Again 2, minus 1, minus 1. So 0.4. And how many zeros? Only 1. That's why 1 out of 5 which is 0.2. But the constraint it is giving, when you want to print the output must be a decimal precision number which has to take totally 6 precisions. Here you can see it is asking on a separate line with 6 digits after decimal each value. So you have to print 3 values. 3 must be printed with 6 precisions. If you take another example, minus 4, 3, minus 9, 0, 4, 1, there are 3 positive numbers out of 6. So 3 by 6 which is 2, 3 by 6 which is 1 by 2 which is 0.5, and negative numbers only 2 out of 6 which is 0.3 like this, and only 1 0, 1 out of 6 which is 0.166 like this. The logic is simple here. We have to iterate the total array or list by taking each and every element one by one and check it out, is it a positive number or negative number or 0. How to check it out? A positive number means definitely that element, if I take it as a of I, must be greater than 0. It's a positive number. Increase the count of positive. If it is not greater than 0, check it out, is it less than 0, which means it's a negative number. Increase the count of negative. If it is not greater than 0, if it is not less than 0, which means it is equals to 0, which means increase the count of z, which is zeros. Finally, getting the answer, after getting the answer, just divide the values like p and n and z, divide with total number of elements. Let us suppose it is take as n. But how to get this precision? We will see that in the coding. We will try to write the code in Java. We will go to the method. Here the method static void. So you no need to return anything. You just have to print the 3 values. Here the list is given, list of integers, that is the list name is ARR. You can try in different ways, but this is the one of the way where you can get all the test cases passed. Here I have taken p value 0, n value 0, and z value 0. Not only that, we need the precision 6. So that's why by default I have taken it as double. When I tried with the double, I got the correct answer. So that's why I have chosen this double, where I can get the at least 6 precisions. Now for integer I colon ARR, which means what is I is, I have used for each loop. What is I is each element, and it will check it out what is that I. If it is greater than 0, positives count will be incremented, less than 0, negatives count will be incremented, and if not, finally z plus plus, which is zeros count, will be incremented. Now finally I am simply taking without using any again typecasting. What is p value? It's a value double. So double divided by the size, what is an integer. So double divided by integer, the answer will be the double. So where you will get at least 6 precisions. And n also, n divided by the size, and z also. So each one you have to print in the next line. That's why you have to write print ln here. And also remember, here I kept here as p equals 0. It's not only 0, we declared it as double. That's why it is equals to 0.00 like this. N is also 0.00 like this. Z is also 0.00. We will try to run the code. Yeah, test cases all passed. Here also you can see all the test cases which are given, 11 test cases passed. So like this easily you can make it. And also I recommend you to watch the top 90 data structure MCQs, and here I kept totally 18 videos which is of 5 MCQs each video. Even I kept all those 90 questions as a single video, that is top 90 data structures MCQs. You can watch this one also, which is almost 4 hours. You can see each one. You can either go for playlist or you can watch it as a single video. We will see the next question, staircase, in the next video lecture. Thank you.